What's going on, everybody? How you doing? So I'm giving my testimonial on this creative REI and the system and the platform. I've got to be honest with you, very much a beginner in my own right, and I think that my goal has to always been to diversify my portfolio and get into real estate and not be, I guess, held back by the lack of knowledge for using different strategies, because that's really the true game to all this is just being really well, diversified in your knowledge and being able to explain stuff. And this system is so great because you don't necessarily need to be able to explain it as if you're a seasoned vet, because it kind of does that for you, which has been really, really amazing. I got into it because I didn't want to spend money on a VA or have a bunch of people cold calling and doing all that stuff for me, just from a financial standpoint. And this system was a bit of a no-brainer because it allows you to sort of have that team behind you, well, without the crazy expense. So I have been absolutely in love with it, and definitely can't wait to start using it even more than what I have been. But I definitely just want to give a shout out to Bill and Sean, because this is, I do see them putting in their own energy and effort, not only behind the scenes, but giving us and the community a place to do Q&As and to get things answered, questions that we may have, and give us real life experiences. So if you are someone that's thinking about getting this or getting involved, I don't know why we're thinking. Yeah, we can't overthink. We just got to go and get it, because this is, and especially if you're a beginner, this is something that I really believe is a tool that will help you as you are moving along in your process. And as you're learning, it will do a lot of the stuff for you. And I mean, you can't ask for something better than that, especially if you're beginning. So, take it from somebody, a regular Joe Schmo like me. Listen, if I can get the wheels going, trust me, you can as well. Don't wait. Waiting is wasting. Talk to you later.